Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed, fit any window size, shape, or design style. Traceable Designer valance kits include reusable no-sew design forms used to make unlimited window valances, making them the perfect home decorating tools. Follow just a few easy steps to make your valance panels. Select fabric to match your decor, then prepare your fabric section. Use the included fusible fabric backing to fuse glue to the back of your fabric. Remove the paper to expose the glue, then fuse on lining. Fold the fabric section in half and position the small or large sizing line on the folded fabric edge. Trace around the design form edges to create your valance panel. To adjust the panel height, lower the design form and trace across the top edge to mark the panel height cut line. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance panel. Follow the instructions for making easy iron-on trim and fuse the trim to your panel edges. Make valance side panels to hang with your center panel. Add Velcro to the panels and to the back of a wide pocket curtain rod, and your valance will be ready to hang. Make any number of small or large valance panels to fit your window size and layer center panels for wide window configurations. These incredibly easy no-sew forms require no precise measuring. The Traceable Designer cornice style valance includes unique layered panels, eliminating the need for tedious exact measuring. The end result is a crisp, fully lined, professional looking cornice style valance. No foam board, wood, or any other base needed. Each Traceable Designer no-sew style also includes a single panel option. Create a rod hanging pocket and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. No Velcro needed. Easily add a second fabric layer to create a dual fabric design. Use the center panel as a single panel style and hang using a straight decorative curtain rod. Traceable Designer valance kits also include no-sew design forms used to make matching table accents. Make beautiful custom table runners, dresser scarves, placemats, and centerpiece mats to complete your unique no-sew home decorating statement. Easy-to-follow video tutorials are available for each no-sew style. Simply follow along to make your beautiful no-sew valances and table accents. With Traceable Designer reusable home decorating tools, everything you need to express your unique decorating style is always right at your fingertips. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.